contour cut foam is a versatile material that can be used for a variety of applications. In the packaging industry, contoured foam is a perfect choice for space fillers as it provides a snug fit for products during transportation and storage, reducing the risk of damage. Load spreaders are also used to protect products from impact, spreading the shock over a large area. Meanwhile, cushion packaging is ideal for products that are susceptible to shock and vibration damage. Besides packaging, foam is also widely used in agricultural processing applications for protecting fragile items such as fruits. One example of this is in fruit rollers. For military equipment and other fragile products, contour cut foam is an excellent packaging solution that offers low surface abrasion. This is also very useful in water applications due to its buoyancy capabilities. Various flotation devices such as polyethene pool noodles and buoys, for example. Finally, profiled foam is an excellent sound insulation material that can be used in many environments, including office buildings, concert halls, and homes. By increasing the surface area through profiling, sound absorption improves. Material is placed on a moving bed and a fast-rotating wire cuts pre-programmed shapes into the material. The off-cut material is removed to reveal the shape of the product. The material is then cut into the customer's required size.